pickled shrimp. Inside of this water, I'm gonna add 2 lemons, kind of squeeze them in. This right here in New Orleans is what we call crab boil. Mustard seeds, little juniper berry. While the water is being flavored, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of salt, some crushed red pepper flakes. I'm gonna take some Creole mustard, take some oil, and begin to start whisking with the mustard. Apple cider vinegar. In that, we're gonna add a bay leaf. You can either keep the shrimp plain, or you can put a little of that essence stuff on them. We're gonna start blanching these shrimp. We're gonna take some garlic cloves and just kind of smash them down. And we're just gonna break up the pieces like this or that. So now what we're gonna do is I'll show you how to finish this. We're gonna take that and pour it in this dish. I take sliced lemons and onions, and then we're gonna take our brine, if you will, pour it over it, and then you put it in the ice box for about 6 hours, 12 hours, no more than 24 hours. Line that on the plate. And I just drizzle arugula with olive oil. And I just put a little bit of the arugula on the bread. Take out those awesome shrimp that have been pickling. So you just put that right on the old flatbread. Roasted pine nuts, you just sprinkle them. There you have it, pickled shrimp, folks.